Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, as you know that we are going through a very tough time, but it's okay. This time shall pass too, inshallah, very soon. We do not want to waste your precious time, so we arranged a special online videos for you. You should stay home, stay safe. Let us start our very first chapter, first unit. Our first unit is Unit 1, Science. Do you know what is science? When it comes to the topic science, I think everyone should know about it. If you don't know, it's okay. I'm here to explain it. Science. Science means knowledge. इल्म, जिसको हम उर्दू में कहते हैं इल्म. That type of knowledge which we get from observations, differences, hypotheses, and experiments. Science is a way of finding things out. Science gives us ability to make a difference between different things. Clear? Let me explain it through examples. In your home, you are playing with your toys. You are continuously talking with them, but they do not respond to you. After playing with your toys, you leave your toys. It will lie on the same place until you come back. Similarly, you are playing with your baby sister, your baby brother. You are talking with them. You are talking with them. They give you response. They move their hands. Your mother gives them food. They can eat. They can crawl. It means that they can give you a response, while your toys do not give you a response. Clear? You will think that why I am asking about your toys and your baby brother and sisters. Do you know why? Actually, I'm going to tell you about the difference between living and non-living things. Why? Because science gives us the ability to make a difference between different things. Clear? Okay. Living things. Living things can move. Right? Living things can move. Let me explain it with simple example. What is this? It's a white board. Can it move? No, it cannot move. Look at me. I am moving from one place to another place. Clear? Living things can grow. You're a small girls, small boys. With the passage of time, you become grow. You become pilots. You become doctors. Clear? You become engineers. Clear? Very good. Living things can breathe. Look, we can breathe. Living things can reproduce. Reproduce means living things can give birth to their young ones. Clear? Okay, now tell me. I'm going to show you some pictures. What is this? It's a camel. Is it a human being? No. Is it a plant? No. Camel is an animal. What? An animal. Right? So, an animal is a living thing. Why? Because living thing can move, living thing can grow, living thing can breathe, living thing can reproduce. Plants are also living things. Plants can also move, can also breathe, can also grow in size. Clear? Human beings. What are human beings? We are human beings. We can move from one place to another. We can breathe. We can grow in size. So we are human beings. Is that clear to you all? These are the properties of living things. Now come to non-living things. Living things, non-living things are those things which cannot move, which cannot grow, which cannot breathe. Even they cannot reproduce. Clear? Simple. Look at a fan in your classroom. Can it move? No, a fan cannot move. Look at a chair in your classroom. Can it move? No, a chair cannot move. Look at a table, dice, pencil, eraser, sharpener. These are all non-living things. Clear? Is that clear to you all? These are the main differences between living things and non-living things. These are all about science. Why? Because science gives us the ability to make a difference between things. Clear? I hope you understand today's topic, science. It's all about the science. For class 1. Unit 1, Science, page 1. Science is a way of finding things out. This is an ant. It has 6 legs. This is a flower. It has 4 petals. An apple is red. A leaf is green. Tea is hot. Ice is cold. A stone is hard. Jelly is soft. A horse is strong. A tortoise is slow. A mouse is small. A kitten is weak. A rabbit is fast. A football is round. An elephant is big. A slice of toast is square. Reading is finished. We shall start exercise with the help of students. Thank you. Question number 4. A. It has 2 parts. A. Draw an ant. Question number 4. Part A. Draw an ant. How many legs does 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 it have? Question mark. Clear? How many legs does an ant have? Do you know? Think, yes? Yes, very good. An ant has 6 legs. How many legs? 6 legs, yes. So, you will draw an ant. What is this? It's an ant. Clear? It has 6 legs. An ant has 6 legs. Full stop. Is that clear to you all? Very good. Now come to part B. Part B is draw a flower. How many petals does it have? Draw a flower. 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 How many petals? Petals किसको बोलते हैं? Petal means पत्ते. Have. Does it have? Question mark. Clear? Do you know how many petals does a flower have? Yes, a flower has 4 petals. Clear? Let me draw a flower. 1, 2, 3, and this is 4. How many petals does it have? It depends on the size of flower. It doesn't matter that all flowers have 4 petals. Clear? It has 4 4 petals. Is that clear to you all? Very good. Clear? In question number 4, part A was draw an ant. How many legs does an ant have? Part B was draw a flower. How many petals does it have? Now come to part C. Part C is question. What is science? SCIENCE, science? Question mark. Clear? Science. What is science? Its answer is science. S must be capital. SCIENCE. Science is a way. W-A-Y. Science is a way of finding. FINDING. Science is a way of finding things. THINGS. Science is a way of finding things out. O-U-T, out. Full stop. Clear? Page number 4 is your homework. Question number 1. Question number 2. Question number 1. Question number 2. Page number 4 is your homework. Question number 1 is pick out the living things and put a circle around them. Question number 2 is choose the correct word. These 2 questions are your homework. It was all about Unit 1 Science. I hope you will understand. Thank you. Have a nice day.